Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how Dial My Calls can be used to create one-on-one conversations with your contacts using two-way texting. Once you've signed up for an account and have verified your number to use for texting, you can purchase two-way texting to use for one-on-one conversations with your contacts. Two-way texting is $14.99 per month to add to your Dial My Calls account for 450 replies and unlimited incoming messages. Upon activation, you can begin by clicking two-way texting from your Dial My Calls dashboard. You will now see the two-way interface and can click on New Message to start a new conversation. Select your verified texting number from the dropdown and then select the contact you'd like to send the message to. Type out your text and then click Send Message. Once your contact replies to your text, it will show up immediately in the two-way texting interface. You can now continue the conversation with your individual contact if need be. All replies to your mass text messages will also show up in the two-way texting interface for you to read through and respond as need be. And that's it. You just use your Dial My Calls account to have one-on-one text message conversations with your contacts via the two-way texting platform. If you have any additional questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086 by email at support@dialmycalls.com or via live chat 7 days a week.